Hey, it's Beat from Gaijin-Garage. Got another video for you today, something you might not have seen before. We've only bumped into one on our first trip to Japan back in 2007 when we were walking up the stairs at Type 1. They had one on display, but I'll give you a look here today. I've got the Nissin gloves out, so you know it's going to be pretty interesting. Go back to our 1990-1991 Spoon NSX parts brochure catalogue folder. Now, you might have seen our video we recently posted where we received one of the new CR1 version 2 Spoon N1 muffler kits made out of titanium. Today we've got the matching version MR1B, which would be a version 2 exhaust manifold for NSX. So of course they've changed the design since the 90s, where you could have a cat delete. So in Australia, Japan, most of the world now, you have to have a catalyst. So they've revised the design slightly to allow for a catalyst, plus also refining the quality and the flow of the design. So let's take a look. Okay, so there she is, being a V6 in the NSX. It's a two-piece design, of course, 3 into 1. Very similar in style and design to Spoon's 421 exhaust manifold for B series, which is also a beautiful piece of kit. And you see the amazing quality of the welds, beautiful craftsmanship, handmade, absolute top shelf, as you would expect from Spoon. Now the second piece is just as impressive. Beautiful welds, bends, flowing shapes, very tight engine bay behind the engine in the NSX, so every inch counts. Amazing attention to detail in the design. You can see the merge there. It's not just a cast piece or a simplified piece like the version 1, it's actually beautifully designed, handcrafted for maximum flow. So if you've got a NA1 or NA2, I'd like to upgrade the exhaust system, you know who to call.